Lord my God, I come before you with a tender heart, knowing that if I am still here today, it is because your mercy preserved me, even on the days when I had no strength left. Beloved Father, when I reflect on my journey, I recognize how many times I could have fallen completely, how many moments I could have collapsed, but your compassion placed a boundary around my pain. My God, your word declares that it is because of your mercy that we are not consumed, and today I acknowledge that I live, breathe, and carry on because of this love that covers me every single day. Lord, I have not always done what is right, nor made the best choices, yet you never stopped looking at me with patience and grace. Dear Father, when my emotions were fragile and my heart felt directionless, you surrounded me in such a way that anguish could not destroy me. My God, there were days when the darkness felt overwhelming, but your mercies were greater still, shielding my spirit from being crushed by sorrow. Lord, thank you that I was not defeated by guilt, nor swallowed by sadness, nor overwhelmed by the enemy's accusations, nor destroyed by my own accumulated mistakes. Beloved Father, so many times the enemy whispered that there was no hope left for me, but your voice, gentle and firm, declared, "My mercy still rests upon you." My God, I could have lost myself along the way, but your love walked beside me, your forgiveness rescued me, and your compassion rebuilt me. Lord, teach me never to treat your mercy lightly, never to consider it ordinary, but to value it as a sacred, continuous gift that reveals how kind you are. Dear Father, every morning I wake up is proof of your care. Every breath I take reveals your love, and every silent victory testifies that you have sustained me. My God, in moments when I thought everything was over, you reminded me that there was still life, still promise, still a new beginning in your heart. Lord, don't let me see life as a chain of coincidences, but help me recognize your hand in every protection and deliverance. Beloved Father, in the tears I cried alone, you were there, and it was your mercy that prevented my soul from being consumed. My God, when I stumbled, you lifted me. When I weakened, you strengthened me. When I feared, you embraced me and restored hope inside my heart. Lord, I know I do not deserve such kindness, but with your unshakable love, you chose to guard me even when I didn't know how to guard myself. Dear Father, I don't want only to receive your mercy, but also to learn from it, to reflect it, and to share it with those who struggled too. My God, break all pride within me, all harshness, all quick judgment, and remind me that I myself am upheld daily by your patience. Lord, may the way I treat others be shaped by the understanding that all of us stand because you are merciful. Beloved Father, when I feel like everything has ended, remind me that as long as your mercy exists, there will always be a way out, always healing, always life. My God, you are the one who rescued me when I had no strength left, who lifted me when I fell, and who restored my hope when everything felt empty. Lord, you saw my hidden pain, my silent fears, and my invisible battles, and still chose to preserve me. Dear Father, you know what I have lived through. You know the marks upon my heart, and even so, your compassion kept me from being destroyed by suffering. My God, thank you that your mercy is not temporary emotion, but an eternal commitment of love and faithfulness. Lord, when the past tries to accuse me or guilt attempts to imprison me, remind me of this powerful truth. Your mercy is greater than all of it. Beloved Father, help me understand that no failure of mine is stronger than your love, and no fall of mine cancels your care. My God, if I have not been consumed, it is because you have a plan, a future, and a path prepared for me. Lord, when I feel exhausted, teach me to rest in your faithfulness, for you never fail and never cease to renew your mercies. Dear Father, may I live each day with gratitude, knowing that everything I have and everything I am is the direct result of your endless compassion. My God, receive this prayer as sincere recognition of my total dependence on your everlasting mercies. In Jesus' name, amen.